many police pursuits to end in fatal accidents. And for this reason, there are many inventions designed to end a high-speed police chase in the safest way possible. And in this video, we tell you the 12 ways police use to stop dangerous cars. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. 1. Grappler Police Bumper. Developed by Leonard Stock from Arizona, Grappler Police Bumper is a device installed in the front of the patrol car. The system is a kind of 21st century lasso that deploys and is capable of catching the rear wheel of the vehicle being pursued and locking it up. According to the manufacturer, there are two options depending on the speed of the subject. Below 100 km/h, the option that keeps the device tethered to the police car can be used, while at higher speeds the mode in which the trap clings to the suspect's wheel but does not remain tied to the patrol car is recommended. One of the main advantages of the system compared to others is that it is safe even to use it in traffic. 40% of pursuits in the US end in an accident since the driver in principle does not lose control of the vehicle, as it would do so in a pirouette maneuver, where it would go spinning in either direction or a flat tire. But it does come to a stop, either by itself or by the action of the patrol car braking, if the option in the table is used and the network is still tied. 2. RF Safe Stop. Let's take the case that someone stops you and you don't stop. From there, you have two options. Either you ride one of Steve McQueen in Bullet, or it turns out that the company E2V has developed the RF Safe Stop radio frequency remote braking system. The safe thing is a saying, because when the system sends the order, the car stops without further ado. RF Safe Stop sends pulses that confuse the vehicle's electronics so that the car stops as a safety measure. And those pulses are channeled through a network of cables that create a radio frequency emitting mesh. As long as the vehicle is within the range of action of the system, it cannot be started again. For now, the prototypes that are being tested have a mass of 350 kilograms and are transported in pickups. But the idea is that these systems, which operate at frequencies similar to those used in meteorological radars, in the ferries of NASA and the communication satellites of the International Space Station, become thin enough to be able to ride in helicopters. RF Safe Stop range is about 50 meters, and in tests carried out before the press, it has managed to stop cars traveling at a speed of 24 km/h. Yes, presumably the RF Safe Stop still has to evolve a bit. In any case, older cars will be immune to the influences of this invention. RF Safe Stop application starts from ending police persecution emphatically to cutting off a terrorist attack with car bombs. At least, that's how its backers are selling the RF Safe Stop. 3. Mobile Spike. Mobile Spike is a unique tire deflation stick technology produced by Mobile Spike Technologies Incorporated, which was financed through an equity crowdsourcing campaign. The operation of the Mobile Spike is simple. It is installed on the front of police cars and enables officers to instantly destroy dangerous cars. This retractable tire spike technology allows police to quickly end a pursuit at speeds between 15 and 120 miles per hour. The lives of police, suspects, and innocent onlookers are saved by this invention. Mobile Spike has undergone testing in 7 states to gauge its effectiveness in various climes and topographies. 90% of the agencies who took part in the beta tests placed more orders, while in the US, there are more than 400,000 police cars and more than 16,000 law enforcement organizations. 4. Safeguard. There have been an increasing number of large outdoor gatherings targeted for senseless acts of violence in both the United States and Europe. For this reason, Safeguard technology was introduced. Surface Guard Vehicle Barrier Solution device that is made exclusively for temporary event protection to protect large crowds. Event attendees are shielded by Surface Guard barricades from unintentional or deliberate automobile attacks while passing freely between the barricade wedges. As one of the tools used by police to stop dangerous cars, Surface Guard provides anti-crash protection at any event by quickly setting up the whole Surface Guard barrier system across a single lane of traffic in 20 minutes. Each portion is supplied as a single unit, making it simple to transport, store, and deploy to offer anti-crash security at any event. 5. ArisNet. Another method used by the police to stop dangerous cars is by ArrestNet. With the use of ArrestNet TM, a target vehicle is intercepted by a strong net in the path of a target vehicle, giving the operator the option of using more force to put a stop to a pursuit without killing anyone. This portable vehicle arresting device has sharp spikes that pierce tires and entangle the car's front wheels in a high-strength net, bringing the vehicle to a safe and orderly halt. When the ArrestNet is fired, the gas bottle pressurizes the deployment hoses, and the kicker then drives the carrier and net into the road, where they are laid in the path of the approaching target vehicle. When a car travels over the net is pulled out of its folded position and wraps over the front tires to lock the wheels, stopping the car safely and in control. The pressure bottle and net assembly can be changed out to be used again to stop another car. 6. Crew cook. We have all seen in Hollywood movies or in police reality shows that come to us from the other side of the Atlantic, the famous police chases that take place in the cities of the United States. The police chase the thief or criminal for dozens, even hundreds of kilometers, trying to get him to stop or run out of fuel. These are dangerous moments both for law enforcement officers and for other vehicles or people who cross paths in pursuit. All this could now be avoided thanks to Crew Cook, the new police weapon to capture fleeing cars. Crew Cook is the brainchild of Kevin Trigo, an American truck and tow truck driver who saw how, in these television chases, the police could barely do anything without endangering his life or that of other people. Crew Cook is a kind of hook that traps vehicles from behind, preventing them from escaping since it lifts them slightly, reducing traction. About 80% of pursuits start with the car stopped when the police are inspecting the area and the suspect discovers that they are watching him. With Crew Cook, agents can immobilize the suspicious car and then calmly search for the offender. 7. MVB-3X. Another way police use to stop dangerous cars, especially ramming vehicles, is with the use of MVB-3X, called Modular Vehicle Barrier. Ramming cars are prevented from entering restricted zones by the MVB-3XTM, thereby transferring the vehicle's momentum to the ground using patented technology. The third and most recent version of MVB is based on technology that has been in use globally for more than 2 decades. Heavy trucks up to 7.5 tons can be stopped by the first lightweight MVB that has been tried, tested, and certified. MVB-3X is perfectly designed for use on sand, gravel, asphalt, rocky, and rugged terrain to help municipal forces, police forces, event organizers, military, and special forces, and also making it adequate for urban regions and locations under severe threat. 8. Net barrier. Another way police use to stop dangerous cars is the use of a net barrier. The net barrier is made of a material that is very flexible to withstand fast-moving trucks and strong enough to destroy them on impact. Unlike metal barriers, the net barrier won't corrode, and it also takes up less space, making it great for a variety of applications. Despite looking very much like a typical metal barrier, the net barrier is significantly superior to traditional barriers in terms of functionality and flexibility. 9. Tire killer. The risk of pursuing cars or stopping dangerous cars has been reduced thanks to the invention of the tire killer. Tire killer is a hydraulic anti-intrusion system with very powerful blades 47.5 centimeters high and resistance of 200 kilonewton for each blade, and it's used by the police for safety. This incredible device is capable of stopping vehicles driven up to 80 km/h. With its 47.5 centimeters high galvanized steel blades and thickness of the blades of 2.5 centimeters, tire killer is majorly used in high security installations. 10. Nighthawk. With the Nighthawk, spike strips from stop stick are deployed faster and more securely than hand-thrown devices. Nighthawk is a portable vehicle pursuit termination system used by police to stop dangerous cars while keeping the user safe and out of the target vehicle's line of sight. The Nighthawk wirelessly deploys and retracts stop-stick vehicle pursuit termination technology to safely deflate tires and stop the vehicle at an RF range of up to 100 distance. The Nighthawk works well in all types of chase situations and on a variety of terrains while minimizing disruption to traffic flow. The stop-stick spike strips are withdrawn back into the housing unit after the target vehicle has been successfully engaged, allowing traffic to continue as normal. Nighthawk is the best tool for managing a vehicle pursuit safely and dependably should you ever need to stop a moving vehicle. 11. Pro Spike Stinger. The Pro Spike Stinger, used by police to stop dangerous cars, is an aluminum pair of scissors with 96 triangular spikes or 125 hollow stainless steel spikes fastened to them with a rubber cup. When in use, the tires are ripped out of their rubber cups when a car travels over the scissors because the nails pierce one or more of the tires. Tires are deflated as a result of the nails perforating them. The majority of the time, tires are empty within 200 meters. Depending on the vehicle type and speed, the user can quickly and easily change the nails, whereas about 10 additional nails and associated rubber sleeves are standard equipment with the Pro Spike Stinger as one of the best tools used by the police. 12. Stop sticks. Stop sticks are another way police use to stop dangerous cars, specifically from slow to stop the vehicle while they follow it. This means is very easy for the police to carry out their search, and the stop sticks could be directly placed in front of the tires to halt the car. While some dangerous cars still cross over them, something crazy happens. The tires deflate. To progressively deflate a tire that crosses over them, police or the military place stop sticks, which are poles filled with spikes and styrofoam, in the middle of the road. The design of the sticks is to slowly deflate a tire, thereby reducing the risk of a blowout at highway speeds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the 12 ways police stop dangerous cars in the comment section below. Thank you.